cooling mods, you got these steam vents that come off the heads right there that come back and go back into the overflow tank. And it branches around. There's also a vent. I'll go around to the other side in a second, but you can see just a little valve right here. Turn these guys off after you fill up the system and the car's warm. You really don't need them anymore because they actually make a bypass around the radiator, and I'll show you that on this side. So here's this one off the vent, off the radiator. It's got a valve, and then the other head, steam vent, also has got a little valve that I can close. And you also have to block off the water from the heater core because that leaks by. If you look at how these systems go, this is the pressure side out of the radiator, and this will actually make a bypass going through the heater core and bypassing the radiator on the heater core. So you got to block off the heater core. These do the same thing. This is the positive high pressure side of the radiator core on this side, and you'll get flow out back to the tank. And even though this is only 8mm 5/16" tubing, that's still enough of flow that's just taking away heat from there. So a lot of the racer guys do this valve. My other buddy that came by and picked up some parts told me about these, and it makes sense. You know, you don't need the steam valves once you get the engine hot because the steam's all burped out. System's liquid full and under pressure. It's not going to generate steam if you got a good pressure in the system. It will when you go from cool down to heat up, but once it's warm, this all goes away. So you lock all those off and you get a little more heating capacity out of the system. So we'll see how all that works.